I've had a couple of people reach out to me after the release of my last series of Paws, The Circus of Dreams. I've already had a couple of people ask me when am I doing the next drop, and because I missed out, unfortunately, on some of the pieces I wanted. But obviously, it's only been a couple of days, and these things do take time. But I have been working in the background, and I have got some news. I have got another series of Paws that are probably going to be released sometime the end of September, beginning of October. Now, the thing is, it's going to be really cool because it's not just me, it's a collaboration and it's an exclusive thing I'm doing with the #1 bullion dealer in Wales, the award-winning Cardiff Gold. We've been talking and we've come up with an idea to do an exclusive set of Paws just for them. So this next set is going to be just available on their website and in their store. And it's going to be called The Plague Years. And as you can see on the screen here, we've got 3 images, and these are just the very rough, the very stark concept images. And we've got on the left-hand side, that's going to be a 2-piece panel. The one in the centre, that's called the Physician. And the one on the right, she's called the Apothecary. And I've done a bit of printing already. So what I'll do, I'll go over to the desk and I'll show you the rough 3D prints. And I'll tell you a little bit more about the collection and the story behind it and what's the whole world behind it. What is the Plague Years? But really looking forward to it. Really looking forward to working with Dan and the team at Cardiff Gold. And it should be a lot of fun. And this is the first video just announcing the series. So let's get over to the desk. Here we are. This is the Plague Years. Now, as you can see, really early on in development. I've just got some 3D prints and I'm still doing the boxes. I've still got another one to come out there. This is my handwritten notes for what I wanted to create. And basically, the Plague Years, it's just... the concept behind it is we've had a breakdown. The civilization's coming to the end. All the electric's gone. All the internet's gone. We've got no manufacturing. Basically, it's like stepping back into the 1700s, 1800s. Everything's going. There's plagues starting to happen because we've got no medical stuff. We've got no fresh water. So if you can imagine the worst case scenario that people prep for, that's where we are. And this is what the new series is called. It's called The Plague Years. And it's going to be a 5-character series in 3 different sizes. As you can see, we've got the 5 big panels. There's the first one. This is the Gravedigger. Very important in end-of-world times because you need to bury your dead as quickly as you can. There he is. And we also got the littler, the miniature version, the 40 by 20, sorry. And it's going to be, as I said, it's going to be 3 sizes, 60 by 40, 60 by 30, sorry, 40 by 20 and 75 by 50 mil. And I'm just so excited to get started and get on with it. That's the Bellman. The man who'd ring the bell. We've got any dead. We've got the Apothecary. Because with all the medical hospitals and doctors have all shut down and there's no supplies, we have to go back to using herbs and spices, and that's what she'd do. She'd make you a potion, try and get you well. And unfortunately, we've got the widow. Her husband didn't survive. And we got the Physician. Look at him. And this is, it's a really macabre, really dark kind of end of world days. And it's something I'm looking forward to explore. Very much still in the infancy. As you can see, I've only just done some of the prints. I've got the boxes, I've got the lids I need to design. So it is coming soon, but I'm really looking forward to working with Cardiff Gold. And of course, like I've mentioned, this is just exclusive. There's only one of one. Each one of these is going to be made once. And the only place you can buy them is on Cardiff Gold. It's just exclusive to them. Because Dan and the folks down at Cardiff Gold, real good supporters of independent paurers and artists. And we got our heads together and decided we wanted to do a nice little series, something just exclusive for them that they can put on their website and you can visit in the shop as well. So there it is. This is where we are. As I say, it's coming soon, probably in a month or so. So I just thought I'd give you a heads up and a very first look at what's going to be coming soon. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.